This is the Bob and Brad D6 Pro massage gun. Didn't really think that I would geek out on a massage gun, but I've had a few of these in our household, and this one is by far better than the rest. So let me explain a few of the things that you're gonna get with this that you're not getting with the others. First off, the attachments that we have here, they're so variable, from a percussion ball to just your flat little type here, but this is where they got creative. This one actually just kind of has a little give and go to it. Kids absolutely love this thing. But if you want to skip to the chase, what Bob and Brad are doing that nobody else is, it's this guy right here. It's both a heating device, one touch, wireless. You got warm and then hot. And this thing heats up about 30 seconds. I don't know how these guys are doing it, but they do. Now, just like I told you, I don't know if you understood what just happened there, but you can put it on the gun or you can take it off and simply just apply the heat where you want it. Now, the cool thing is it has a cooling pad on here as well with a built-in fan. And as hot as that thing was, now we are ice cold. And again, if you're dealing with some external issues that you need to just do one of these, it's really just this easy. They were even nice enough to not only throw in the charging cable, but they also throw in the nugget, which you don't see anymore. So I've been really, really happy. Now, as far as working and operation on this, yeah, 1500 all the way up to 2500 at a click of a button. And this thing is so easy to use. It's got several modes on it and it really just hits the spot. Design wise, I really like how they inverted the handle, because I can actually do it to myself. I don't have to ask somebody or hold the gun this direction. It really makes it that easy. And then if I'm applying on my legs, really, it's so hard to explain how convenient and how well thought out this design was, even to the point where the head moves just at a click of a button. And there's so much to like about the Bob and Brad. So if you're on the fence, don't be. You're gonna absolutely love this thing.